Good morning children. Welcome to K.R. Lakkam Memorial CBSE School Mudod. Yesterday in our previous class we have finished the lesson number 5. So next I am not going to start the 6th lesson. Before that we need to revise from lesson number 1 to lesson number 5. So today we will have a revision of lesson number 1, that is pre-number concept. Open page number 157. So every day one lesson I will revise and then we will start 6th lesson. So today first lesson, pre-number concept. Pre-number concept. So before learning the numbers, what are all the things we are going to learn that is related to this lesson? So we need to learn some words which shows us the positions, the places of things. So that is having in this lesson. So let us learn about in this lesson developing and using spatial relationships. Get set go, page number 157. Look up, look down, look all around and answer these questions. First one, what do you see outside the class? Suppose if you think you are in the class, you just look outside. What you will see there? Look outside. Sometimes if you are sitting in the class, if you see through the window or through the door, you can see some trees or a garden of our school. So that answer you should write in the blank. Suppose from our class, if we look out, we will see the playground. So write answer playground. What do you see inside the class? Inside the class what you will see? If you see inside the class, directly I will write blackboard. Sometimes you can see the benches, but one answer we have to write. So I have written blackboard. Who is sitting behind you? Behind means who is sitting back of your bench. So your friend, my friend. Then when you look up, what do you see above your head? Above your head, if you see, what you will see? Sometimes fan, sometimes ceiling of your classroom. What under your table? If you are sitting on your bench, what you can see under your chair or under your bench? Sometimes if you keep your shoes, you can see your shoes. If you don't keep anything, I can see the flooring. What is flooring? Tiles. Okay. What is under your table? That is floor. Who is standing in front of you? So in the class, who will be standing in front of you? Sometimes if teacher is there in the class, so that is answer is teacher. So in this sentences, outside, inside, behind, above, under and the front, what these words are indicating? Yes, so these words are indicating the positions or the relationship with you, in front of you. So in front of you means that is the area in front of you. Okay, these all things are telling explanation of relationship. So page number 158, developing relationship and understanding. Okay, so developing the relation between the position and you, and then understanding. What to understand? What is there in front of you, behind, above, like that. So top, bottom, these words what will indicate? The girl is, look at your textbook, the girl is standing on the top. You have to by heart the spelling of these words. The girl, there is a picture of a building. One girl is standing on the top of building and a boy is standing on the ground, that is bottom. The girl is standing on the top of the building. The boy is standing at the bottom of the building. So here the relation between the boy and the building is bottom. So boy is in bottom of the building. So what is the relation between building and the girl? So girl is in top of the building. Okay. Then quick check. There is a tree and bird. Where is it? Top or bottom? Bird is in the top of tree. So tick the top at the bird side. So here you should tick top. And where is the snake? Snake is under the tree. So bottom of the tree. So tick bottom. Next see this on under. O-N on, U-N-D-E-R. Under. The boy is sitting on the chair. The dog is sitting under the chair. So on, under. Here the relation between the boy and the chair is on. The boy is sitting on the chair and the dog is sitting under the chair. Observe the given picture and put a tick mark for correct relationship. There is a vase on the table. So what you should tick, under or on? On. Here on. And shoes are under the table. So under. Front, behind. Front, behind. The dog is in front of the house. The tree is behind the house. So see the picture. The dog is in front of the house and the tree is behind the house. Quick check. Observe the given picture and put a tick mark for the correct relationship. See here, there is a car. Behind the car, tree is there. Front the car, a person is standing. So on the tree you should write tick for behind and for the person you tick front. Next, front, behind. Then inside, outside. See, the girl is standing inside the house. The boy is standing outside the house. See the pot, quick check. Pots are inside the shell or outside. So this one you should make inside. Here outside. Before, after. Before, after. The lion is running before the giraffe. The elephant is running after the giraffe. So there are three animals. So position of animals is the lion is running before the giraffe and the elephant is running after the giraffe. Yes, there is a lion. It is running before the giraffe and the elephant is running after the giraffe. So next quick check. There are three persons are on the bicycle riding. Father is cycling dash mother, before mother. Daughter is cycling after mother. So A, father is cycling before mother. Daughter is cycling after. Before, after. Okay. See why I am repeating this, you know. Some children have admitted from the first class. They have done everything. But some children have admitted to the class in middle and some children are admitting nowadays. Okay. So some have missed the previous classes, so that these classes will explain 5 days. I am going to explain our revision taking for the previous classes. So these will help for all the kids. Okay. So who have not written these all answers, now you can write it. Near, far. What is near, what is far? So something is very close to us, that is near. Something is very far from us, or it is not near, close to us, that is far. Okay. Now our Lakkam school is very little near to the Ranna Kridangana, but bus stand is far to our school. So closer places will call it as a near. So not closer places are call it as far. Okay, now see near, far. The boy is near the man. There is a picture of a man, boy and a tree and the bus. The boy is near the man. The bus is far from the man. So boy is very closer to the man, so that is near. Bus is not closer to the man, so that is far, which is little very not close to the person, that is called as far. Okay, near, far. Observe the picture given below and choose. The cow is near the house. Page number 161. A. The cow is near the house. B. The tree is far from the house. Okay. Next, above, below. Above, below. Block A is above block B. There are some blocks A, B, C. So block A is above block B. Block C is below block B. So there are 3 blocks. A, B, C. So block A is above the block B. Block C is below the block B. Okay. To show the position of block C to the block B. To show the position of block A to block B. What is that? Above and below. So block A is above the block B. Block C is below the block B. Okay. Above and below. Next, we check. There is a cloud, aeroplane and one crow. Here is a cloud. Here is an aeroplane. Then there is a bird. Okay, there are 3 things. Just you think that aeroplane is above the cloud. So tick for above. And bird is below the cloud. So tick for below. Yes, next, rolling, sliding. Rolling and sliding. Which things are sliding and which things are rolling? Okay, the ball is rolling on the handcart. The brick is sliding on the handcart. If the things are in the sphere shape, in the circular shape, those things will roll. Anywhere you throw them, these will roll. For example, ball, globe, football, volleyball, whatever. In the shape of sphere or in a circular shape. Those if you throw, these things will roll. If the things are in the shape of cube and cuboid, those things will slide on the floor or on the handcart. Okay, the ball is rolling on the handcart, the brick is sliding on the handcart. So there is a picture of notebook. Is it rolling or sliding? Notebook is sliding, you tick. there is a tomato. Will it roll or slide? Rolling. Yes. Then page number 164. The position of different objects around us using everyday language, special relation like. So these only whatever I have written on the board. So by heart the spellings: T-O-P top, B-O-T-T-O-M bottom, O-N on, U-N-D-E-R under, F-R-O-N-T front, B-E-H-I-N-D behind, I-N-S-I-D-E inside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E outside, B-E-F-O-R-E before, A-F-T-E-R after, N-E-A-R near, F-A-R far, A-B-O-V-E above, B-E-L-O-W below, R-O-L-L-I-N-G rolling, S-L-I-D-I-N-G sliding. So this is all about first lesson revision. Complete these all writing in the blanks. Tomorrow I am going to revise the second lesson, that is solids around us. Okay, thank you.